My heart goes. Da-dee-da-da-dee-da. You're better with weight on the bar.
I felt
You're so much better with weight on the bar. Is that a little bit better on the elbow? There we go. 1, 2, nice. 3,
If you tell me to go down and up,
4,
it doesn't make any difference to me.
5. Yeah, I know. The down up takes the pressure off the shoulders, the push press, that's all it is. That's it, nice. Good whack. Really good whack.
It doesn't sound as loud as Carl's.
No. Did you hear his, did you?
I could hear them from outside. I thought, have I got the right thing?
Yeah, you did. He was whacking it really well, to be honest. Yeah, I was just setting up yours whilst he was whacking. Nice. Some good wacky stuff there. I love the big wacky stick. Apart from we're not doing that. Keep going with that. So slide down rather than let go. That's better. Nice. Slide down rather than let go. Nice. Exactly that. Calf raise and shrug. 20. Is that 4? 2.
Perfect.
11. 24. 62. I joke, but my counting is fantastic. That's it, and then waddle back and make sure it's on there, okay? Sweet. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18.